Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my #1 best tip for achieving faster weight loss results through intermittent fasting. If you've been struggling with your intermittent fasting journey or are still waiting for your desired results, this video is for you. But before we dive into the top tip, let's explore other valuable tips that can boost your success. Tip number 6. Understand the science behind fasting. First things first, it's crucial to understand what's happening inside your body during fasting. Fasting isn't about starving yourself, it's about tapping into your body's natural ability to thrive without constant eating. Fasting activates genes that enhance your survival, which means thriving too. By fasting, you're turning off disease-related genes and turning on the ones that promote health. Plus, fasting improves insulin sensitivity, a key factor in weight loss. Tip number 5. Incorporate high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Ever heard of HIIT? It stands for high-intensity interval training. It's a super effective exercise approach where you alternate short bursts of intense exercise with rest. This method can increase your growth hormone by a whopping 700%. It's way more efficient than spending hours on the treadmill. Remember, don't overdo it. 1 or 2 sessions a week with ample rest in between will do the trick. Tip number 4. Opt for insulin sensitivity teas. Fixing insulin sensitivity is a major key to successful weight loss. 2 teas that can help with this are berberine tea and green tea. Berberine is as effective as a diabetes medication in improving insulin sensitivity. Green tea is also great. A teaspoon or tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water can also help improve insulin sensitivity. Tip number 3. Stay consistent and patient. Consistency is your best friend when it comes to intermittent fasting. Weight loss takes time, especially if you've struggled for a while. Instead of weighing yourself daily, take pictures of yourself and compare them after a few weeks or even a month. Focus on improvements in energy, mood, and reduced cravings. These are positive signs that your body is on the right track. Tip number 2. Combine intermittent fasting with a healthy ketogenic diet. Pairing intermittent fasting with a healthy ketogenic diet is a powerful combo. You're tackling insulin resistance head-on by lowering your carb intake and eating nutrient-dense foods. Avoid eating out frequently, as restaurant food might not be as nutrient-packed as you'd like. Choose foods like eggs, salmon, grass-fed beef, and big salads to nourish your body. Tip number 1. Embrace 1 meal a day. And now, for the ultimate tip, transition to 1 meal a day, or ONAD. With ONAD, you're fasting for a remarkable 23 hours. This extended fasting period allows your body to reset, regenerate, and become an efficient fat-burning machine. Your liver and digestive system get a well-deserved break, and your insulin receptors become super sensitive. This is where the real magic happens. There you have it, my friends, my best intermittent fasting tip for faster weight loss. Remember, these tips work best when combined. So, whether you're new to intermittent fasting or looking to enhance your results, give these strategies a shot. Keep pushing forward, stay patient, and embrace the journey to a healthier, happier you. If you found this video helpful, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on improving your health and well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.